after that we saw dingoes. There was 3 dingoes. Finally we seen Tasmanian devil. It had sharp teeth and yawned the best it was that we
Now, yawned. Oh, I'm going to show you the oar for yawned.
Oh, yawn! So you have got an oar. That is an oar.
It is, but it's this oar. Remember we did that yesterday for oar? Yawned. And what we don't have a dirt. What do we do?
At the E.
We do. It's a bit tricky. And we did. Good girl. Well, you don't because you finished.
Oh.
Prep red.
I need another page.
I want to show you this. Now, Evie has written the whole page. Evie's written the whole page. And she doesn't need to do any more writing. So instead of giving her a new page to stick her picture on, she's going to hang her picture off the end like that. So just put a little line of blue off the end like that. So we don't waste paper. Just like that. I don't mind if you don't need another page. That's fine. If you do, easy, I'll give you one, but you can just put that on the end there. Evie, your name up there so that Mrs. Grant can hop to and put them up in the room.
Can you come over there and read it to me?
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. Just read it to me so I can hear it. Come over here. Oh, come round, let me see. Did you write this on your own?
Yes.
How clever are you? Just amazing.
Yesterday we went to Concord Wolf Sanctuary. First we went to the sugar glider. Next we saw kangaroos and one had a joy in the pouch. And the koala had a baby koala. After that we saw dingoes. There was 3 dingoes. Finally we see a Tasmanian devil and it had sharp teeth and yawned. The best bit was that we went to the park. The picture can be the wonderful park.
Oh, yes. Oh, you are so clever. Who else did wonderful writing? Who else shall I listen to? Who else did wonderful writing? Can you go and get a book and read me a book?
Yeah.
Okay, you go and get me a book though.
Go and stick your picture on, please, the way I'm showing you.
You're not on the blue level. Show me. Let me have a look. So does that mean that you know all of the sound pics at the back there?
Yeah.
Let me see. What's it called?
Not fair.
Not fair. I wonder what's not fair.
Sam had a tear in his jeans. Mum had to get him a new pair. Josh, go.
Now that's actually good or aired. Because I think this book is all about air. Oh, it is, because look, it's covered up, but look, that's that kind of air, like dare, and there's another air as well. Let's have a look. So this is looking for all the airs, like a tear.
Yeah.
Oh, but hold on a second. Speech and detectives. He's got the EA, and that's got the EA. What's this word? To air.
Tear.
And what's this one?
Jeans.
Jeans. So that's an E there, and what's that one? An
Tear.
yes, it's an air, isn't it? Oh, keep going, he said. Oh, I want a new pair, he said.
I want a new pair, he said. Then Mum got a bag for chips to share. I don't want to share, Josh
declared. That's an air one again. Declared. What does declared mean? I don't want to share, Josh declared. It's like he's saying it. I don't want to. It's like he's exclaiming. It's like he's telling us, but he's saying it with a bit of venom. A bit of, not venom, a bit of, yeah.
Next, Mum got ice cream.
What's special about that?
A dash.
And what's special about this one?
CE.
And it's a blue level.
Yes.
Sound Pics sandwich. It's a blue level Sound Pics sandwich. Ice Ice cream? Air.
Care, she said. Put up, plop.
Yes.
Josh started at
Egg.
at his ice cream. It's not fair.
It's not fair. I love that expression. How did you know just then to say pop? How did you know?
Because there's an exclamation.
Exclamation mark. That's just brilliant. Keep going, keep going. And it's not fair! Exclamation mark. He didn't go, it's not fair. Did he? He went, it's not fair!
Yeah.
I love it.
Then they got back. Josh said, where's my bear? Their mum said, it's not fair. Josh told Bear.
How did you know to say, where's my bear?
Because it has
A question mark. That's right. You knew. Your eyes knew.
off to bed, said Mum. Sam and to go in green.
Yeah, grinned. What's grin mean? Sam and Tam grinned. What does that mean? They're going like that.
Smile.
Yes.
Their bedtime was at 8 o'clock.
What's special about this one?
3-cent sandwich.
Oh, yes. You finished the book?
Yeah.
What are they saying?
It's not fair.
Yes.
Why they say not?
I don't know. Why do they say it's not fair? Let's have a look.
Next day, Sam and had to get up at 7 o'clock. They had to wear their school clothes. It's not fair.
It's not fair. Well, come here. Hold on. Hold on a second. Turn back over to there. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. I'm going to try and trick you. Are you ready? How many airs can you find on that page? How many pictures for air?
One.
Yes, air. I think there's only one more. Oh, 2 and one more. It's actually one of our duck level words. Our sight words, but coded. What's that one?
There.
Yes, the air. Do me duck dance for there.
No.
Oh, the air, there. Now let's see if you know any of these words. Whoa. Oh.
Fair.
Now if I hold it, can you do duck dance for me?
Air. The air.
The air. The air. Air.
Air. Air.
What about to air? Oh, you're looking at I'm looking at the other one.
The number one's not there. The air. The air. The air. Where is where? Her air. The air. There.
Wow, where's the ch-air? Yes, where's the st-air? So what they've done there on this book, which is a dandelion book, what they've done is they've shown the code. So they've shown that part of the code. They just haven't shown all of it, have they? Because where would we split stare? Show me your duck level. Your duck hands will stare. Air. That's right. So we would have to air, wouldn't we? You're a superstar. Thanks, honey. Wow.